Hi, I am Ravi Shankar Rash with the 38th episode of Fridaypoems. The poem we are introducing today is Vandana Kumar. She is a middle school French teacher in New Delhi. She is an educator with 20 years experience, also a French translator and recruitment consultant. The poems have been published in various journals and websites like Mads World, Toronto-based Scarlet Leaf Review, Philadelphia-based North of Oxford, UK-based Destiny Poets, Lothlorien Poetry Journal, St. Paul, Minnesota-based Grey Sparrow Journal, California-based the Piker Press and Dissident Voice, Canada-based Healthy on Days, and W Voices, Singapore-based Borderless Journal and Madras, Korea. And also the prestigious anthologies like the Kali Project anthology and But You Don't Look Sick anthology. She has been part of two projects of the World Literature Series on postmodern voices and critical thought. She was a jury member for the All India Poetry Competition organized by Cocoa Butter and also co-edited their debut print anthology. She writes articles on cinema too that have appeared on websites and journals like Just Cinema, Daily Eye, the Free Press Journal, Bology.com and the Armatro. So she is a very versatile poet who has been active in many facets of life, and here we are presenting two of her very short poems. Thank you.
The first poem is called Traffic Snarl. There are things not meant to be done at leisure, in a city throbbing with urgency. A glance discreet at the rearview mirror, a busy intersection, time enough to touch up the rouge to text a lover. The city hides its secrets well. Couples check in to hotels regularly at fixed times under fancy names. The salesman doing an overkill, wanting to push in that last sale before it shutters down in some business or the other. The classy women headed home an hour ago on social media, writing sympathetically was seen, raised eyebrows giving them away, passing by the senior districts, asking chauffeurs to roll up the windows, looking the other way. And they reach home fatigued, shopping list accomplished, smug in their belief that the husbands never take those kind of detours. The second poem is called Ephemeral Winds. In life's seesaw, the sages you saw, in use not just one or two. Your hedonistic ways clearly got a thumbs down. Virtuous living after all, eases suffering in life or beyond. All your life you wanted to live through cliches galore. Who has seen tomorrow? Life is here in the now. You rush to take a train, wondering if it is too late to walk barefoot on grass without fear of ants. All your life you looked down at the air. Such disdain, they were so diminutive after all. You stretch out your palms in circle of flame, hoping it would not dim or mistake you for moth. You begin your life someday in youth, opening windows for summer breezes, and in sagging age, closing doors to cold draft.